Hello everyone, this is Riya Vishwakarma. I am going to present News Shorts weekly updates on income tax, GST and finance dated from 21 July 2021 to 27th July 2021. So let's begin with income tax updates. CBDT provided further relaxation in the electronic filing of Forms 15CA and 15CB. Taxpayers can now submit these forms in manual format allowed up to 15 August 2021. CBDT Empower Clinics announces filing of annual report on Form 20F with the SEC and OTC markets. Dainik Bhaskar conducted search operations at Dainik Bhaskar office. During the search operation, it was found that they have been operating in the name of employees, which has been used for booking bogus expenses and routing of funds. The quantum of income evasions using this modus operandi detected so far amounts to 700 crores. The Revenue Department has started issuing notices to several multinationals to comply with the transfer pricing timelines after many multinationals and their tax advisors missed filing deadlines. Assuming that the extension of timelines due to COVID-19 pandemic applied to transfer pricing assessment as well. Moving ahead towards GST update. CBIC proactively put in place a COVID response plan for speedy clearances of COVID-19 vaccines at all major airports. CBIC circulated advisory for negative liability issues while filing GSTR4 form. Also, the government has also shared the reasons with the solution via update. According to a provision in the GST Act, revenue shortfalls arising from the implementation of GST across the country would be made good from a GST compensation fund for a period of 5 years. This period is set to end in 2022. And the centre is not inclined to extend this period beyond 2022. However, it has suggested measures to the states that can help them increase revenues. Moving towards finance updates. Highest ever annual FDI inflows in India in the financial year 2020 to 2021. L&T Finance is making an early redemption of 7 series of non-convertible redeemable preference shares worth Rs 875 crores. RBI has extended the last date for submission of foreign liabilities and assets returns 2021 till 31st July 2021. Finance Minister announced that the cryptocurrency and regulation of the official digital currency bill 2021 will be presented in Parliament in the upcoming monsoon session. SEBI has allowed the block mechanism in the demat accounts of clients undertaking sale transactions to be available from August 1, 2021. RBI imposed restrictions on Mastercard Asia or Pacific Pte Limited from onboarding new domestic debit, credit or prepaid customers on its card network. MCA has issued the notification related to a new amendment rule 2021 33A for allotment of a new name to the existing companies. Zomato IPO received overwhelming response and was subscribed 38.25 times last week. For further updates, you can also follow us on our social media handles as displayed above. Also, drop in your email address in the comment section below to receive our weekly news shorts personally in your mailbox. Thank you.